guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today's vlog is exciting because I'm going to be focusing on decluttering and cleaning my closet, getting rid of clothes, and just almost like spring cleaning a little early. And I'm doing this with the help of Poshmark. Y'all, I use Poshmark every single day. I've been selling my clothes on there since last year. It's so easy and effective, and it's a great way to declutter and make extra money. So I'm so excited to be working with them today. Basically, I have this huge, beautiful, stunning, and smart closet that I love. It literally sold me on getting this house. So I have a lot of clothes, as y'all know, from my channel, from my shopping addictions, from working with amazing brands that send me clothes. So today I'm going to be going through every single piece of my closet and things that are in other closets, because yes, that's how much clothes I have. And I'm going to be sharing everything with y'all and listing them on my Poshmark, and my Poshmark will be linked down below. Like I said, this is going to be both a cleaning and a declutter because I do have a lot of mess in here. Basically, I want to reorganize and refresh this whole space utilizing Poshmark to actually get rid of the clothes. A lot of these are new with tags. Like, I lost weight and I get a ton of clothes sent for free. And honestly, y'all, a lot of these clothes are just no longer my style. So there's a lot to get rid of. I also want to get rid of shoes. The whole top of the closet is filled with shoes, and I maybe wear like 5 pairs every day. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna just give you guys a quick little closet tour if you're new here or you want a refresh of what my closet looks like. Like I said, needs to be clean, so this is like the real deal. So starting off here, I have this shoe rack that I really want to get rid of. So once I declutter my shoes, I can actually do that. That is from Walmart. And then I have some booties here since it is still the winter time. And then these are probably my most worn shoes. My other sneakers are supposed to be in here, but I'm wearing some right now. And then I color coordinate my closet by color, obviously. So I have yellows, oranges, reds, and then these kind of like burgundy purple tones. So we have like blacks, animal prints, and grays, navy and blue, and then greens over here. This is where it gets a little messy. I have a lot of random things here. These are some new dresses that don't fit in the other things. Maxi dresses, jumpsuits, and robes, empty hangers. These are things for an upcoming Amazon try-on haul. And then more like longer things. And then we have my dirty clothes here. Then I have a ton of boots, like tall boots here, and tall shoes. Then these I have from IKEA. They hold like a lot of summer stuff, so probably like biker shorts, running shorts, things like that. And then definitely need to declutter those. We have my bags there. Like I said, the whole top is covered in shoes. I will bring those down. I'm gonna show you the outside first, and then I'll show you guys what's in the drawers. Here we have more animal print, and then browns, like dark orange, rust, and then more browns, kind of like beigey tones, and then lots of pink. This is the main one that needs to be decluttered. I use probably all of this and none of this, so need that. And then we have like ivories, some colorful stuff that didn't really go anywhere. Then tons of white. I definitely need to get rid of some white dresses because I am no longer getting married anytime soon. We eloped. Okay, going back here, we have underwear. This needs to be organized desperately. My organizers are from Amazon. Then over here we have sweatpants. I also need to do laundry, so I want to do my entire lot of laundry and then put everything in the drawers. Love sweatpants. And then we have PJ sets. So these are like the matching part is on top of each other, and that is just a dress. And lastly in here we have like crop tops, basics, tanks, things like that. Then over here we have sports bras, which is quite the mess right now. Definitely could benefit from getting rid of a few of these. I wear basically the same ones every week. This drawer looks a little empty. I have tons of leggings. I probably won't get rid of any of these. Then over here, this is another messy one. These are just workout tops, and since it's winter and like I said, I haven't really been working out, haven't been using these much, which is a little sad. Lastly over here we have my t-shirts. I brought all my sorority t-shirts from my parents' house, so that's what half of this is, and these are just graphic tees and fun oversized tees. Need to clean the top of this, but over here we have sweat shorts. I feel like I could organize this better. And then we have a lot of denim shorts that I also could organize better. This is probably the worst one because out of all these jeans, I think only one pair fits me, and that's really embarrassing because there's so many pairs in here, so a lot of those will go into Poshmark. But wait, there's more. How could there be more, you may be asking? Because this is my closet of shame. So yes, I do have way too many clothes, I am aware. So on this left side we have a lot of jackets that I didn't want like them to bulk up my closet. So we have denim jackets, some hoodies, puffer jackets, cardigans, things like that. Some of these are on Poshmark. Then we have dress pants that I'm not using that anytime soon, and this random maxi dress that I should probably sell. And then over here we have things that I already know are on Poshmark or will be depending on the season. So all these are already on Poshmark. Some dresses will be coming soon in the spring, but like I said, y'all, I use Poshmark every single day. I list items almost every week, so I think you should highly check out my closet, but also list things yourself. It makes so much sense to declutter and make a little extra money to refresh your closet, or just to make, like I said, extra money for whatever you needed. So I love using Poshmark for that. So what I'm gonna do now is pull out pieces from each section and start with the things that are hanging, and I'll show you guys like the piece and if I'm gonna keep or sell. Starting with the white section, we have this linen like crisscross top from ASOS. Very cute, but I never wear it, so this one I'm gonna list on Poshmark. I love this Free People top once upon a time, but I no longer wear things like these, so it's an off the shoulder really beautiful crochet top. I'm gonna sell. I love this dress, it's super cute. I'm definitely going to keep it. Okay, unless we go way faster, this video will be like 10 million years long. That wasn't English, was it? Anyway, we have this super cute dress that I love with the flowers, keeping. This one I also love, keeping. And then this romper from Princess Polly is like my favorite, and then this is my favorite white dress of all time, so keeping all of those. So not a lot of progress. We have this crop top from Zara from literally like 5 years ago. Definitely selling that on Poshmark because I don't ever wear it. This crop top I also never wear. It gives me like college philo vibes, so Poshmark. This one is cute. I don't see myself wearing this though anymore, so Poshmark. Super cute Fashion Nova top with some ties on the side. Honestly, Poshmark. I don't wear that. This is super cute. It's like a tie front top. I'm gonna keep. And then this loose top is super cute as well, so keep. Then we have this crop top that should be in a drawer, so keep. We have this super flowy chiffon kind of top, so sell. This baby doll style is very cute, so I'm gonna keep. Then we have this bodysuit, keep. And then this bodysuit, honestly, I'm gonna throw away. It's super old. Some shorts from Princess Polly, keep. This comes in a set. This is a little strapless top from Express. I'm gonna sell. This bodysuit I'm gonna keep. I love it. Also keep. This little tank from Express I should probably keep. It's a basic. Then another bodysuit from Lulu's, keep. And this one from Fashion Nova. I'm gonna sell this one. Fashion Nova bodysuit, I love this, keep. I love this set, keep. This Free People shirt I'm gonna sell. This turtleneck is a basic, I'll keep. This super cute, wear it all the time. Probably my most worn sweater vest. And this little thing I might like sell or give it to my mom. This bodysuit from Fashion Nova is a keep. This one though is super old, so I'm gonna probably throw away, honestly. Favorite pullover of all time, keep. Free People top, keep. And then this is a matching thing to those shorts, so keep. This dress from Shein is adorable. I wore it on Thanksgiving, but I need to get it hemmed, so I'm going to set it aside. I would have forgotten. Then we have my favorite like linen blazer. This baby girl top should be in my t-shirt, and I love this Princess Polly bodysuit, so keep. I can't believe we're only by the white hoodie. I love this, I'm keeping. We have this thermal from Free People, keeping. Pullover that I wear all the time, keeping. And a basic white sweater, keeping. Anyway, I'm gonna sell that. I never wear it. This really cute cardigan I'm keeping. This cardigan I never wear and it's adorable, so I'm gonna sell. Then this sweater from Lulu's, I'm gonna keep. Keep this hoodie. This one I'm gonna sell. It's like a tie-dye hoodie. I got it recently, but I never wear it. This I wear all the time. Keep. This one keep. It's a romper from Princess Polly. This is also Princess Polly. Keep. Oh, this I'm gonna sell. It's a dress. Yeah, I don't wear this. Okay, we got rid of a lot of white things. We have so much space, and honestly, I had kind of like a revelation while doing this. I'm going to organize instead of by color or by type, because God knows how many bodysuits I have that I don't wear because I never see them. So I'll do that after I keep decluttering. This is a pile so far. Finally moving on, we have this super cute top from Fashion Nova. Keep. This dress I'm gonna donate. I've tried selling it and I don't know, the shape is weird. So keep that, sell that. Then this from Princess Polly. I'm gonna keep it. I don't have anything purple like that. This one I am selling at the moment on Poshmark. This Free People skirt sell. Super cute top, keep. Then favorite bodysuit from Princess Polly, keep. This is from a college semi-formal, so sell finally. This is very cute but no longer fits me, sell. This is too big. Then this Shifts dress is cute but I never wear it, sell. This is just not it, sell. This is my favorite dress, keep. And then this, I don't know, I think I'm gonna sell. Okay, to save us some time, keep. Actually, this one I'm gonna get rid of. I never wear it because it's cropped. Keep. This is already on Poshmark. Okay, let me actually show you these. Like I said, already on Poshmark. This I wear all the time, so keep. This one should be with my t-shirts, but keep. A little set from Fashion Nova that I love, so keep. These two I am listing on Poshmark, and then I'm gonna keep this dress. Keep, then keep. I never wear these, but I don't know, I kind of want to keep. I don't know, I'll try those on. So those are maybe. Definitely sell. I've never worn this. Keep, and then all these three, maybe except for this one, are sell. I'm gonna deal with this one last, but next up, let's run through this kind of quickly. All right, so this one is gonna be donate. This is keep-ish, I don't know. Probably donate all of these, then sell. Ooh, sell. I love this for Puerto Rico one day, so keep, donate, keep, sell, donate maybe. I don't even know. I don't know. Sell. I think this is already on Poshmark actually. I'm gonna sell this. Keep. I just got this keep. Actually, all of these are gonna be keep. I know I have a lot of gray stuff, but all of that is keep. Actually, the majority of these, except for this blazer and this top and these two dresses, are going to be sell. Y'all, it's gotten like so messy and so progressively worse. I tried doing by style instead of by color, and I absolutely hate it, so I think I'm gonna have to go back. This is turning into like a hot mess of a video, but yeah, like that's the majority is on Poshmark, and then that is also for Poshmark, but I just don't know. The only thing I do kind of like all in one spot is my hoodies, but besides that, everything else just kind of needs to go back to where it was. Here is a quick update. This has taken y'all so much longer than I anticipated, so I ended up going back to color coordinating my clothes because I just like it so much better, and I did end up keeping all the sweatshirts and pullovers and hoodies on this section right here. I have a load of laundry going. I have 3 actually, so I'm going to continue this tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll deal with the drawers and the shoes, but at least like it's looking a little better. Look at all the free hangers that I have now, which is crazy. So I wanted to show you the pile of things that I have to list on Poshmark. So it's super easy to list. It literally, you do a few pictures, a quick description, and you are done. This whole thing will be my task for tomorrow to list on Poshmark, so definitely download the app and check it out. But I will continue this in the morning. Okay, it is the next day. I just wanted to show you some of the progress I've made. I feel like everything is looking much clearer and more organized. So today I put away the 2 loads of laundry and finished putting like everything away. So for my sweatpants, I decided to change up the direction and add all my sweat shorts to the side. That way they can all be in one drawer. It looks a little cramped, but it's just because sweatpants are bulky, but I like it so much better this way. I also added a ton more t-shirts since I did laundry for that, and then I decided that I won't be decluttering shoes until probably the spring to midsummer. That way I'll know which ones I'm using and which ones I'm not. So I decided to, like I showed you all yesterday, color coordinate everything except for my sweatshirts and hoodies. And y'all, I never realized how many I actually have. So that's a great indication for me to stop buying those. But I am not decluttering any of those. So since it's pretty late now and it's been gloomy and rainy all day, I'm gonna wait until tomorrow to list everything on Poshmark. That is my #1 tip, to have really good lighting. So I'll talk to you guys in the morning.